a little while to learn how to use a grommet press. Not that it's difficult, but there's a certain amount of pressure that you have to push onto your grommets to ensure that they are secure but not cracking. So if you push down too hard, you can break or split the metal. If you don't push down hard enough, the backing part will not stay on. Also, if the fabric is not thick enough for it to have anything to grip onto, so if you're using a really thin fabric, you're gonna have to put a layer in between so that it has something that it can grip. Otherwise, it'll just be, your fabric will sort of just be like floating in between your front and back piece of your grommet. This is 2 layers of cotton. It's fine. If I was to use a silk or something that's maybe not weaved as tightly, I would probably put another fabric in the center so that it would have something to catch on to, but this will be okay. You put your grommet in the right way, put it upside down onto your grommet press. This has a sort of like a divot in there. The divot goes down, like that. I hold mine down, and I'm gonna have to like move for a second so that I can actually press this down. Hold it down and just press. And then you have a nice clean grommet. Sometimes it will crack right around here, but that one looks good.